Hi, this is Roy Holden. I finally got my BeatBuddy synced up with my loop station, and people said make a video on it on how you did it, and it is all in the cables. I fought with this thing and I fought with it, and I spent a small fortune buying cheap cables, and finally broke down and bought the proper cable, and it worked. So I'll just show you what I did. Bought the right cable. All right, let's start with the BeatBuddy. I'm going to do a factory reset on it. Push the tempo and the drum set button. Restore default settings. Yes. Now let's do the RC-5. Setup. Factory reset. System. Are you sure? Yep. Done. Now with both of them reset, you need to buy the MIDI breakout cable for the BeatBuddy. It's a necessary expense. Can't get around it. I'm going to start with a cheap cable that I bought trying to save money. And then we're going to go to the in on the RC-5. And I push on the tempo, and it just gives me a tempo number. So after fighting with it, I finally broke down and ordered a cable that someone had recommended in one of the forums, and it's listed down below, the one that I bought. Interestingly enough, when I got it, it's a monoprice cable, but you can't find them on the monoprice site anymore. So now we'll take the monoprice cable, let's hook it up to the out, and then we go to the in. Now, see if I can go, there we go. Tempo, MIDI. Did not do any other settings. It's all in the cable.